Iraq has set an ambitious goal to increase non-oil revenues to 20% of its national income. This is urgently important because the IMF, aka the International Monetary Fund, will not support Iraq's increase in currency value until it has more non-oil annual revenue. If you remember, Iraq almost went bankrupt during the pandemic when oil revenue went to nearly zero. But first, if you haven't joined the channel's membership, please do so by tomorrow morning. The channel is presenting a new trend that promises to replace cell phones. This is a whole new industry for wealth creation. The channel will explain the details in the membership area tomorrow morning.
For Iraq, non-oil revenues, which include taxes, customs, and earnings from sectors outside hydrocarbons, rose to nearly 12% of total revenues in the first 9 months of 2024, up from about 7% before the approval of Iraq's landmark 3-year budget in 2023. Mudhar Saleh, a financial advisor to Prime Minister Mohammed al-Sudani, emphasized that the government is implementing a long-term plan to boost non-oil earnings across various sectors to stabilize the budget. The rise in non-oil revenues is attributed to increased import customs, expanded taxes and contributions from the housing, transport, and construction sectors. According to the Al-Mustaqbal Center for Economic Studies and Consulting, non-oil revenues jumped from approximately 4.7 trillion dinars, or about $3.58 billion, in 2023 to nearly 14 trillion dinars in 2024. This significant growth is linked to heightened customs tariffs and improved tax collection, aided by advanced digital operations introduced as part of government reforms. Meanwhile, oil income dropped to its lowest share in recent years, accounting for 88% of total revenues in 2024. Despite these advancements, Iraq still faces challenges with a substantial $49 billion budget deficit recorded in 2023. The 3-year budget, approved in 2023, set annual spending at $153 billion for 2023, 2024, and 2025, based on an average oil price of $70 per barrel and a production target of 3.5 million barrels per day, including 400,000 barrels per day from the northern Kurdistan region. Iraq, OPEC's second-largest oil producer after Saudi Arabia, has yet to release detailed figures for its 2025 budget. Stay tuned. The channel will keep you updated.